10th standard science part 1 chapter number 6 refraction of light. The points in this chapter are definition of refraction, diagram of the glass slab, laws of refraction, refractive index, absolute refractive index. What is the definition of refraction of light? The light rays changes its direction when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Light rays changes their direction. Light rays changes their direction when they are obliquely passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. That is, if we place a glass here, then the light rays transparent from one transparent medium air, and then it goes or passes through the glass medium, that is the transparent medium. And when the light rays passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium obliquely, then they changes their direction, and this is called as refraction of light. What is the definition of refraction of light? The light rays changes their direction when they passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called as refraction of light. This is a glass slab. Light rays incident obliquely on this glass slab. This is a incident ray. The point at which the incident ray falls on the surface of the glass, this is called as point of incidence. The line perpendicular to the point of incidence is called as normal. This is a normal, this is incident ray, this is the point of incidence. Then the rays passes through in this way without bending, but the light ray changes its direction from one medium to another medium while going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, and they bend towards the normal and they changes their direction. They go in this way, but they changes in by this way, and therefore the Lm is incident ray, Mn this is refracted ray, and then again they are finally changes their direction. Here the light ray changes its direction by twice. Here first time they changes their direction at the point M, and another time they changes its direction at a point N. In this diagram, ray Lm is called as incident ray. This line, vertical line, is called as normal. This is a refracted ray. Ray Mn is a refracted ray, and ray No is emergent ray. Emergent ray. This is angle of incidence. This angle of incidence is called as denoted by letter I. Angle of incidence, the angle made by incident ray with normal. Angle made by incident ray with normal is called as angle of incidence. Similarly, this is angle of refraction. Angle made by refracted ray with normal is called as angle of refraction. This is angle of incidence, but this angle is made by emergent ray with normal. Hence, this is called as angle of emergence, and it is denoted by letter E. Angle of incidence denoted by letter I, angle of refraction denoted by letter R, and angle of emergence denoted by letter E. Here, light rays passes obliquely from one medium, that is, this is the air medium, this is a glass medium, and this is air medium. light rays passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, they changes their direction. Again, light rays passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, they again changes their direction. And in this way, this is called as refraction of light. This can be proved with the help of glass lamp. What is the refraction of light? Light changes their direction when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, called as refraction of light. Laws of refraction. First law, this is incident ray, this is refracted ray. This incident ray and this refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal point of incidence, at the point of incidence. This incident ray and this refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal, and all three, that is incident ray, normal and refracted ray, all three lies in the same plane. We can study the plane in the 9th standard in geometry. This is the first law of refraction. That is, incident ray and refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal at the point of incidence, and all three lies in the same plane. Second law is the ratio of, for any pair of media, this is a pair of media, that is air and glass. This is a pair of media. Air and glass is the transparent pair of media. For any pair of media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. This, if the I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then sine I upon sine R is equal to constant, and this constant is called as the refractive index of the medium. What is the definition? The light ray changes their direction when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, is called as refraction of light. Laws of refraction. Incident ray and refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal at the point of incidence, and all three lies in the same plane. For any pair of media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is constant. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then sine I upon R, sine R is equal to constant. This refractive index, the speed of the light is different in different media. This is air media, this is glass media, water medium. These are the different mediums. When light passes air to glass, its velocity changes. If light passes air to water, velocity changes. This velocity is depending upon the refractive index of that medium. The velocity of light in air is dependent upon the refractive index of the air. Velocity of light in the glass depending upon the refractive index of the glass. Velocity of light in the water is depending upon the refractive index of the water. What is the absolute refractive index? The refractive index of any medium, air, glass or water, any medium. The refractive index of any medium with respect to vacuum is called as absolute refractive index. What is the absolute refractive index? The refractive index of any medium with respective to vacuum is called as absolute refractive index. Vacuum निर्वात, जिथं हवा नाही असा भाग व्हॅक्यूम. Can you understand? I will call again definition of the refractive index. The refractive index, what is refractive index? Refraction of light. The change in the direction of light when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. Laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray and refracted ray are on the opposite side of the normal at the point of incidence, and all three lies in the same plane. For any pair of media, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to ratio of sine of angle of refraction is constant. This constant is called as the refractive index. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then sin I upon sin R is equal to constant. What is the absolute refractive index? The absolute refractive index, the refractive index of any medium with respective to vacuum is called as absolute refractive index. Suppose V1 is the velocity of light in first medium and V2 is the velocity of light in second medium. V1 is the velocity of light, velocity 1 in first medium. Velocity in second medium. Velocity of light in first medium is V1 and velocity of light in second medium is V2. Then the 2 nu 1 is equal to, this is symbol of refractive index and it is called as nu. 2 nu 1, this is read as refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to V2 upon V1. That is the ratio of velocity of light in second medium with velocity of light in the first medium. And 1 nu 2, this is read as velocity refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium. This is equal to V1 upon V2. This refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium, V2 upon V1. Refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium is equal to V1 upon V2. This is the relation between these two formulas is 2 nu 1 is equal to refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to 1 upon 2 nu 1. Refract 1 upon 1 nu 2. Refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium. The three laws of the refraction related to the refraction of light are: when the light rays passes from rarer medium to denser medium, this is the air medium, this is a glass medium. Glass medium is a denser medium, air is a rarer medium. Then light rays changes direction and they bend towards the normal. They can passes in this direction, but they can be pass in this direction, but they bend towards the normal. And in this case, this is angle of I and angle of R. First law related to the refraction of light is when light rays passes from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, they bend towards the normal. In this case, the angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction, and therefore the refractive index of the second medium is greater than first medium. How this is? Because the increase in the value of incident angle of incidence it decreases the refractive index of that medium, and therefore the refractive index of the air is less than refractive index of the glass. Then second law is when light rays passes obliquely from denser medium to rarer medium, they bend away from the normal. When light rays passes denser medium to rarer medium, then they bend away from the normal. In this case, angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction, that is emergent. Angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction, and therefore the refractive index of the first medium is greater than second medium. And when light rays travels normal at the interface between two media. This is air media, this is glass medium, and the line is an interface line. When the line, this is line, interface line, when the light rays travels normal perpendicular to the interface between two media, there is no refraction of light takes place. The light rays goes in a straight line without changing their direction. These are the laws of refraction, related to the laws of refraction. Thanks for watching. माझा हे चॅनेल तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर चॅनेल सबस्क्राइब करा. काय तुमच्या शंका आल्या असतील तर तुम्ही कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये त्या शंका लिहून पाठवा. मी त्या शंकाचं निरसन 100% तुमच्या शंकाचं निरसन करीन आणि पुन्हा नवीन व्हिडिओ विज्ञानचे, गणितचे आणि इतर सर्व विषयांचे नवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी हे चॅनेल तुम्ही सबस्क्राइब करून ठेवावे अशी माझी विनंती आहे.